Today I'm going to be reviewing a body shaper from Betaven. This is what it looks like. Before I review it, I want to show you what I look like wearing my dress without the body shaper. You can see there's no form, no shaping right there. You can see it shows my belly, it shows my rolls. Everything is just not all good. So you just see how the stomach just shows right there. This is the body shaper. It's a light control. This is how it looks like on top. At the back, this is how it looks like at the back, just like that. It comes in different colors. So this is how it sucks me up at the stomach area. The tongue area also has clips right here, so you could make it as small or as tight as you want to along the tongue area. I like that it's adjustable. So let me put on my clothes and show you what it looks like with the cloth on it. The material 85% nylon and 15% spandex. With the dress put on, you can see everything kind of sucks in because it's a thong, so you don't see that silly panty line. It gives it a nice look, and I like that it's not uncomfortable at the back. Really nice, very light hold to it, so you're not like you know, gripping yourself. I absolutely like it. I like how comfortable it feels. Very nice, and gives me a nice shape and a nice form with my clothes that I'm wearing. I absolutely like it. I love it.